Hello, this is Coach Duckworth with the Salt Lake Tri Club here today with another Zwift tip. Today I'm going to be talking about the ZWOFactory.com website. This website is awesome if you're a coach or an athlete that uses Zwift to do workouts in. I want to first just say thanks to Matt McNeil for building this site. It's awesome. You can build your workouts in Zwift. I happen to find this website is a lot smoother and quicker, but you can definitely still do it in Zwift. So that is an option. This is just another third-party option. So what is a ZWO file? A ZWO file is the actual file type that Zwift uses to read your workout files if you auto-upload them. So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of this website. Some of this stuff is just self-explanatory, and so we're going to go through it. So we're going to name our workout. Let's just do a 2x15 minute tempo/sweet spot workout. I'm not going to give a very good description because we're going to hurry here, and you want to put your name if you're the author, and you want to give it a tag. Now in Zwift, you have your zones that are color coordinated. Gray being, 0 to zone 1, to red being, your VO2 max zone. So those are the zones, and these are the gradual build, and this is the interval set to make it a little bit quicker for you. So we'll go through each one of these and each one of these over here. But getting back to our workout, let's build this workout. We're going to want to do a warm-up. And once you click that button, it's going to give you a gradual warm-up here. So this spot right here indicates what zone you want to start out at. And this is percentage of your FTP. So we're going to do 50% of FTP. It does it in seconds. And so we've got 600 seconds represents 5 minutes, which is great. We'll do a 5-minute warm-up, and you know what? Let's do 1,200 seconds. We're going to end at 70%, so you're going from 50% to 70% over a 10-minute span. I'm sorry, that's more than 10 minutes. Let's go 600 seconds. That's 10 minutes. Okay, perfect. Then we want to get into our intervals. So we are going to do, let's click on this, and we're going to repeat it 2 times, and we're going to do the first power at, let's go 90%, and the duration, let's do 15 minutes, which would be 900. Oops, that's definitely not what we want. This is the second power. So in the second power, we want to just go 50%. We want to do 900 seconds. That's where I'm going wrong here, guys. Okay. So we've got the first interval, which is going to be at 90%, at 900 seconds, which is 15 minutes. And then we've got the second interval, which we're going to do 50%. And we're going to take a 5-minute break between these, which is 300 seconds. And we're going to repeat it twice. So there you go. We've got 2 15-minute tempo intervals with a 5-minute break between. And you can even add a cadence reminder here. So on the first cadence in the interval, we want to be 90%. On the second one, it doesn't really matter. So let's just, let's do 90, and then let's do 95. How about that? So then what that does is that sets a cadence reminder during the workout to remind you where to be on the cadence, so cadence target. You can also add text on here, which is nice. So you can be like, good job. And what that will do is you can offset it, and 10 seconds into this, it will say good job. You can add, you could, do it 300 seconds into it. and then that would say good job between there and give you a little motivation. So now that that's done, let's do a quick cool down. We want to go from 70%, make it match. I think we are doing a 10-minute cool down, so we'll do 600 seconds, and we'll get down to 50% to match R1. So that's just a quick way to build it. I don't necessarily build it this way. I probably would take out this cool down and just do, or I'm sorry, this recovery and just do a cool down. Now let's just play with this a little bit. Let's say we wanted to add an interval somewhere in here. We could move this. We could switch it up so we could add an interval, and then we could move this interval over. So let's say before our tempo we wanted to do some, VO2 max short intervals. We could add that, and then we could put in a easy recovery and just move that right over like that. And then these are all done for you. All you'd have to change is just the percentage of FTP or the duration. Let's say that you wanted to copy that, then you could just copy that same set. You go on here, you could copy that. So there's a lot of stuff you could do with this. It's super easy, and yeah, very nice tool to do. So now that you've got your workout built, again, this is just playing around, not a workout I necessarily would do. You can save it. When you save it, it only saves it on your internet browser until you clear your internet cache, and you can come back to it. And then once you're done, you can download the file. And then this file, which I'll show you later, can be put into your workout folder, and then you'll see it when you load up Zwift. The other nice thing that you can do with this program is with the workout templates. So you can go on Zwift. Let's say there's one you already like. Let's clone this one. And then let's say, I really didn't like going at 81. I wanted to go at 85% on this. Then you could change these around, and let's say you wanted to do, 900 seconds instead. Then you can go and alter these, which is really cool. Go ahead and download or save it, and you've got your own custom workouts done. So I hope this is helpful. I highly suggest it. If you're not using it, or if you have a coach building them now, then you can refer them to this video, and they can take advantage of this and help you train better. If you have any questions, concerns, you can put them down below. And thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.